What should I do this weekend? Aha! I'll go on a camp out. Yahoo! Don't forget the coffee maker. Yuck, coffee. We're all ready to go. We'll just push it. There. What are you guys doing here? You can't camp here. Go camp somewhere else. Come smell them. They smell delicious. Pew! Let me smell. Yuck! They smell really bad. Oh no. Perfect. There. Ah, isn't this so nice? What was that? What was that? I think I got a flat tire. Next time, we'll camp somewhere else. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe below. Please check out more of these cool videos on Amazing Brick Movies. Bye!